Hello mga langga, dito ko talaga na-try talagang umakyat sa ganito Sirguelas na puno. Umuwi ako ng Pilipinas. Kaya tingnan nyo guys yung tanim namin, malaki na at saka maraming. Yan, tingnan nyo yan siya guys. Aakyat ako dyan, di ba?
Malam ka na kasi. Ay.
Siniban ako ng anak ko dyan kasi matanda ka na, hindi ka akyat, hindi ka makaakyat. Ayan, nakaakyat ako guys. So ayan, nakita nyo na. I just climbed our plant, Sirguelas. Say, look at that, what I'm doing in there. See, and then my son see, the who took video is my son guys. My 22 years old son took video for me. Ayan, and then I climbed, and then after that, of course, I puksi the Sirguelas. What's this? How did you speak in English the puksi or the take Sirguelas or the fruit of Sirguelas guys? The bunga ba? Ayan, tingnan mo yung ginagawa ko dyan guys. So kahit hindi ko kaya, kayanin ko guys. Para lang makakuha ng Sirguelas kasi sa taas guys. Because upstairs is up is already the Sirguelas or the fruit is already ripe. That's why I climb. I go up guys. Look at that. You know what I'm doing in there? I'm already a monkey human. Monkey woman guys, look at that. Naging monkey na ako dyan guys kasi nga ganyan ginawa ko, umakyat ako. Ganyan naman talaga guys, no? Kailangan natin akyatan kung gusto natin. Kung mayroon tayo din na pangarap sa buhay natin, kailangan natin kayanin ang lahat na pagsubok para makaakyat tayo, para magawa natin ang kagustuhan nating magagandang pangarap sa buhay. Ayan, tingnan mo guys, nangunguha ako ng mga Sirguelas, di ba? Ang ganda pag mayroon kang tanim guys, kasi pag mayroon kang itinanim, mayroon kang aanihin. Ayan, ganyan ang aming tanim guys, Sirguelas. Napaka sarap guys ng Sirguelas kasi lahat yan guys organic, kahit wala ka nang malagay dyan na fertilizer. From the sand magkakaroon ka ng pagkain basta hindi ka lang tamad guys. Yan ang aming lupa dyan guys, 3 hectare yan. Syempre ako lang as a provider, hindi ako may-ari niyan guys. Ang may-ari niyan, that's the owner, is my kids, of course, not me. I am only a provider because I am a mother guys. Look at that. And then the people, the voice is from my son talking to me. Yeah, just like that guys. Who took video is my son also, because I told him to go to the upstairs and then I give my phone and then I told him took video for me, okay? And then he said okay mama, and then look at that, that's our land guys, but we didn't have capital to plant the corn or what do you want to plant guys. Look at that. That's why I came here in Hong Kong to do job, to find work guys for my kids, for my family, and of course to take or what's this, the ipon money. Mag-ipon tayo ng pera natin guys para sa ating kapital, sa ating land in the Philippines. 3 hectare yan guys, pero we don't have capital for the
Kapadayaw
the
aron,
corn.
alog
Like this,
aron.
I plant fruits, and of course I
Tama
plant cassava, and of course sweet
Ay mo
potato
kabuk
guys, and of course
do
banana.
pambalay ka
It's
nga na.
very
Lasing mo
good.
utod.
And have also a
Lasing mo
papaya
utod.
in there guys.
Di
Thank
ka
you
mo
so
kang
much
kaya
for
la
watching. No,
kata ko
I'm
dako da
Cecil
sa imo.
Bilbao 40 to all who's silent viewers, my
Sing ito na nasa
my
sunod.
friends, my
Ako sa mga bata.
families who love support and watching my video. I highly
Hindi ko
appreciate it.
pilita
Thank you so
kwanta
much
nga kahoy
guys
na
for
kwenta kung
support
kwanta
and
yung kahoy.
watching. God bless us. I hope you still
Ikaw
there to
hindi mo
watch my
kahoy puta
video.
sa manigali.
Kung wala kayo guys, wala naman kami.
Ano malo pa
Hindi naman
doon?
kami magkaganito na is as a vlogger, content creator.
Ay, singit mo
sinisipagan
mahulog man
din po
gapos
natin
dalo
na
mo yawan tayo
mag-upload
mga
ng
panitan
video, kahit na minsan pagod tayo, pero
Dapat may gabantay
para
dalo mo.
mapanood po yung ating mga supporter. Maraming salamat sa
pila
ating
na
mga
kami
silent viewers dyan.
Munog full story
Maraming
dyan na daan.
salamat sa inyo. I highly appreciate it. Thank you so much. God bless everyone.
5 minutes lang ma.
Please like, share, comment, and subscribe my channel.
May 5
Cecil
minutes pa lang.
Bilbao 40. God bless everyone. Love you guys. Thank you so much everyone. Yeah, you're the one to give strength for me to upload video.